Greetings farm machinery fans, and welcome to our YouTube channel. As you will have seen from the video title, we have some brand new farm machinery to introduce to you. Previously on our YouTube channel, we introduced you to the IDEAL 9 Combine, a Fendt machine we've been familiar with since 2017. At the time, there were already rumours about something bigger in the pipeline. And since last autumn, we've heard that Fendt and AGCO wanted to aim high with the IDEAL 10. Whether they have succeeded remains to be seen over the next few crop years. In any case, we have the pleasure of trying out the tracked IDEAL 10 here in northern Germany. Enjoy the test drive. Only a dozen IDEAL 10s are in operation around the world. Getting our hands on one of the biggest combines on the market so early is a real treat, especially since our fully kitted out test machine is equipped with virtually all the available add-ons. The most exciting feature has to be IDEAL Drive. This is what Fendt calls its option to steer the combine via a joystick on the left-hand armrest. The main idea behind this development is to enable the driver to have a better view of the header without the steering column being in the way. Joystick steering has been around for a few years now already, for instance on loaders in the construction industry. Most loader drivers get along great with the new technology. To get permission for IDEAL Drive, the developers still had to install a second, redundant system with a separate battery, which ensures the combine remains manoeuvrable in case of an incident. The harvesting giant steers perfectly smoothly via the joystick. Steering on the left, speed on the right. You get the hang of IDEAL Drive after just a few trips around the field. We didn't get a chance to drive the combine on the road at 40 kilometers an hour, but we're told that because the joystick adjusts proportionally to the road speed, transportation is also really simple. The patented IDEAL Drive feature is listed as an optional extra for IDEAL models 7T to 10T for around €9,500, excluding VAT. The IDEAL 10 is actually built on the same chassis and shares the same cab and double rotor threshing technology as the IDEAL 9. But the engine power, separating area and cleaning system have all been either enlarged or optimized. The performance enhancement compared to the IDEAL 9 is around 20%, according to Fendt. The 790 horsepower combine could certainly handle more than the pre-installed 12.2 meter wide header. We've been promised new, wider headers, however. Soon this machine will be entering the global 15 meter class. With its 17,100 litre grain tank, the combine is superbly well positioned. When unloading, its enormous capacity of 210 litres per second would give a small tipper a run for its money. Our test machine was equipped with an optional 4-wheel axle and 76.2 centimetre wide tracks. According to Fendt, the combine remains below the 3.49 metre vehicle width limit in this configuration. From 2021, the IDEAL 10 will go on sale for around €750,000, excluding VAT. As of 2020, the IDEAL Combine series is still in its introductory phase worldwide. Fendt and AGCO are really accelerating the advancement of harvesting technology with the IDEAL series. After we test drove the IDEAL 9 in Germany, we had the opportunity to film the combine in Canada in 2018. We were told that they had already tested out the combine in most of the world's challenging combining regions. What is interesting is that AGCO has already begun production of the IDEAL series in Brazil and South America. For Europe, the combine will continue to be built in Italy, and for North America, a production line will be set up at the AGCO factory in Hester, USA. The IDEAL 10 will be sold exclusively under the Fendt brand globally. The rest of the IDEAL family will presumably follow suit with this sales model, at least outside of Europe. This autumn, you'll be able to find out more about the IDEAL 10, as well as the top 5 biggest combines on German soil, by watching our new farming documentary, Harvest Time in Germany, on www.farmworld.tv.